The Voice of the People's Party (VPP), led by its organizing secretary Dhammewanhi El Rumbai, has submitted a memorandum to the Commissioner and Secretary as well as to the Secretary of the Mining and Geology Department, Government of Meghalaya. The memorandum addresses the challenges regarding the criteria for obtaining a prospective license or lease for coal mining in the state. In a statement to reporters, Dhammewanhi Rumbai highlighted a key issue with the standard operating procedures issued by the Mining and Geology Department on the 5th of March 2021. One of the criteria specifies that coal mining is only allowed on land parcels of at least 100 hectares, a requirement that Rumbai argues is unattainable for most landowners. This, he stated, threatens the livelihoods of those in the state's coal belt. The Voice of the People's Party has urged upon the state government to address this issue seriously and logically, emphasizing that the concerns of the struggling majority must be considered. The party also warned that if these frustrations are not addressed, they could potentially lead to unintended public unrest.
Matagasngi nagaliang jungi ka Voice of the People Party ngila late ban yakndo ya I Commissioner Secretary jongka Department of Mining and Geology ban kumjo ya Secretary jongka Department of Mining and Geology ban ai ya kane ka sithi haga jingede bat kane ka SOP lene ka Standard Operating Procedure haga jingede ban apply ya kane ka prospecting license bat kane ka mining lease for coal hapo kane ka jela ka jongi te haga jingede bat kane ka kam haga ba ka sarkar kala yash kmat daga bantaban pentrekam haga bangin yolat ya ka banti ya uniu deuyong Henry Kubasasi kumbangi nagaliang juga parti ni keren nagapos pagba ba ngimpliang ya kani ka SOP ka ba ka sarkar kala tha hadu chispa aktar nagbanta banyo ya kini ki license ki paper te kumta nagaliang jugi kum ka parti ngilalet ai ya kani ka sithi nagabanta ba ka sarkar kan simkhia mardor hagaban pet lani ban bishar biang ya kani ka SOP ka ba kalashna nagabanta bangin yolat ya ka ban ti deuyong nang ba ki ain ki ba ka sarkar kala ailat yangi hagabang ti biang ya uniu deuyong te ngila kumban supan kemau ba kani ka jingkhang ya ka jingti deuyong ka de na do usnem arajar khatsau ti pumta kat hadu usnem arajar khakandai ba ka Supreme Court kala ai ka karai ha ka jingede ban sedang biang ya kani ka jingti deuyong ka bala khainbi ain da kita ki ain ki kendon ba pher Henry ka basiosi ka long karkum ka notification ka ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ha ka santarik ubnai balai arajar huai la penbenapai ba lembau commissioners and secretary jong ka mining department and geology department nagbanta ya ka banyo ya kani ka prospecting license te kumta habang ipet ya kani ka SOP ka ba ka sarkar ka sna hadu kalani ka bu ya kani ka jinghe jong ka jaka hadu chispa hektar kalong ka ka ba ngimla ban priang bat ka ba mi sibun ki jingli ha ka ba ngikum ki rilong Nila ya kaban bat ya kakendeu ka siap ha ki snong thau ki jongi da kita ki jinghe ki ba om ya kot bor katum kani ka SOP ka ba kani ka sarkar kala thau te kumta kala long ka jinghe yangi ha ka bangin im lane ka bangin yo biang ya kata ka kamai ka ji lengba kani ka jingti yau deuyong te lengba kani ka SOP ngi i ba ka theu lane ka ailat tang ya kita ki badon hakabor lani ki bala ya kaban yo kat kani ka jaka om ya upat ba hi baro te kumta ngi kaliang jong ka Voice of the People Party ngi kwa ya ka baga sarkar kan pet bat khmi ban ailat yangi upat ba hakaba nginla ya kaban turei ha kini ki hektar ki ba ki barit ngila banong kumba kapau hakani ka mine concession rule kakandai rupau kaba la keren ba ngila ya kaban yo ya kata ka license lemba kata ka area kaba hadu 100 hektar te kumta sibun kini ki lemba kini sithi ka bangi penpau sya ka department hakaba kini ki he sokar kin ra yakani ka mat ka ba ka VPP ka dawa hakajing day ban pet ban kmi biang ya kani ka SOP ka ba kala bu hadu chispa ta tegumta na kaliang jungi ka Voice of the People Party ngiyai ban kumbang ila lech supay ba nadu usnem arajara kulai ya kabangin wat kilak lenti ya kaban penbor leni bandawa na sokar hagaban penrit ya kani ka area leni ya kani ka jinghe jong jaka ha kaba ni kumki paiba leni ka kumki ta ki common man ngila ya kaban tre ban ta kumba long hakipor ki ba manchua telemba jong kani ka kubor ka lemba kani ka karwo ngida kaliang jong ka Voice of the People Party ha ka jingi kren jongi ba u commissioner secretary mane ngisngaw tunat ya ka jingi thu ka jongu ba ulai thu ba kumbalo mata na kaliang jong department ru kala pay bar kala khmi bar kala simkhiaro te na kaliang jong commissioner secretary ulai thu ba na kaliang jong ka sarkar kila ya ka ban pay bar khmi bia ya kani ka kam andala dep kani ka session te kumta na kaliang jong ka Voice of the People Party ni kumbangi keren lemba jong MP hadu parliament ngi ong bala da pli lang ye baro la da khang lai ye baro om dei ban al hatang ye kilai leni sawon henry ina lat ye kita kipadon kata kajaka ha kabanti ya uniu do yong ubalong ubulum jong kayok kot kajongi.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.